If you need to set up SSL on your Namecheap domain, one of the first things you'll need is a CSR or certificate signing request. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to generate a CSR on Namecheap step by step so you can move forward with your SSL installation quickly and correctly. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website and hosting guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your hosting list. This is where all of your hosting services are managed, and it's the starting point for accessing cPanel. Next, find the hosting plan connected to the domain you want to secure and click Go to cPanel. This will open your hosting control panel where all of the SSL tools are located. Inside cPanel, scroll down to the security section. Under that section, you'll see an option called SSL TLS Certificates. Click on it to open the SSL management area. This is where you can create and manage certificate requests, private keys, and installed certificates. Once you're in the SSL TLS area, look for the Requests tab and open it. On this page, you'll see the option to generate a new CSR. Click Generate a New Certificate Signing Request, also known as CSR. This is the form that will create the certificate request your SSL provider needs. Now, you'll be asked to generate a new key. Select Generate a New 2048-bit key. This is the recommended key size and is widely accepted for secure SSL certificates. After that, you'll need to fill in your certificate details. In the Domains field, enter the exact domain name you want the SSL certificate to cover. Make sure this matches your site correctly because accuracy matters here. Next, enter your city, state, and country. These details help identify the organization behind the certificate request. If your business has a company name, enter it in the company name field. If applicable, you can also enter your company division in the company division field. If you're setting this up for a personal website or a project without a formal business structure, some of these fields may be left blank depending on your situation. For the passphrase field, leave it blank. In many cases, the CSR process works best without adding a passphrase here, especially if you want a smoother SSL installation later. After reviewing all of the information, click Generate to create the request. Once the CSR is created, you'll see the full CSR code displayed on the screen. Now this part is very important. Copy the complete CSR exactly as shown, including the line that says Begin Certificate Request and the line that says End Certificate Request. Do not remove any part of it because the certificate authority will need the full block when issuing your SSL certificate. At the same time, make sure you save the matching private key securely. This key is just as important as the CSR because you will need it later when installing the SSL certificate on your site. If you lose the private key, it can make the installation process much more difficult, so keep it in a safe place. And that's it. You've now successfully generated a CSR on your Namecheap domain and saved the private key for future SSL installation. This is one of the most important steps in securing your website. And now you're ready to continue with the next part of the SSL setup. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial.